Hi, my name is Sebastian Åsberg, and me and my partner, we have just launched a website called universaldesign.space is the address, but the website is Universal Design. And I want to give you a little bit of background and introduction to why I've done this and who I am. So, um, all the way since I was a small child. This is a photo of me when I'm 4 years old, I think. And I'm running there with I've got this new piece of papers that I could do my drawings, and I love to do that. I went with my father to this little store where they had colors, and it was magic to me. And I was so much in a hurry that I had to run. Let's put it there. So I had to run before him to sit down on the boardwalk so I could start drawing in my book. And my father, who was a photographer, he ran ahead of me and took that shot. So drawings and art has been the main focus of my life for a long time. But I'm a carpenter and designer, so I do furniture and I do design according to I actually feel energies with my hands, so I can draw a form and then I can cut it with my tools, and that has led me into sacred geometry and design when I understood that they were connected, and in my carpentry that I've been working with the shapes of sacred geometry without knowing. But since I also studied mathematics at the university, it was like, wow, I could combine the two things. So I've done a lot of sacred geometry stuff. This is a dodecahedron, and one of the Platonic solids. And this is a pyramid that is really interesting in the shape. And I will explain why I've done these shapes and what they can do and what sacred geometry can give you. But above all, I have been writing in these books for 40 years. So I have like 5,000 pages of written material, and I've been working with my own intuition and my own visions, but I've also been working with different medias and different psychic people that can really pinpoint. I had tons of questions that I posed to psychic people, and I've learned a lot and I have a lot of knowledge. So I think overall these books I've been writing is like 5,000 pages. So the bottom line is that I want to give this to you because the insights I've gained and the material I have, I think, is pretty unique, and it has given me a life that I'm very happy with, and I have the greatest trust in life, like it's gonna be good, and this world is gonna be fine too. But anyway, if you're interested, go to universaldesign.space and look that up, because there I have a website where I will present my material, and I do drawings and I talk about them. A funny thing is that when we launched this website, which was the spring equinox this year, it was a good time because the equinoxes are really powerful. So using the spring equinox was pretty natural for me. And then my partner Elle, who is an astrologer, she, for fun, made the chart of it, and it turned out that this chart is a perfect pyramid. And if you go to my website and look at Learn and Explore, there's a button you can click, and then you get a lot of different things. And then there is how the universe tries to talk to you, to speak with you, with signs and stuff. There I put up the picture of of the horoscope. And since I'm crazy about pyramids and Giza pyramids and stuff, we were mind blown when we saw this chart. The chart also happens to where Jupiter and Moon are like exactly on the same places as in my birth chart, and also in the same houses and in the same signs. So it was like, wow, there was a lot of coincidences. And since there are no coincidences, I love these signs that universe gives you that you are on the track. So please check it out. I think there will be a lot there if you're interested.